In this video, we're going to get started with simply creating our first product and categorizing our products. So let's navigate over to our products by clicking on products here on the left-hand side. And to create a new product, all I have to do is click add your first product. So I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it my product. You would obviously call this whatever your product is that you're selling. So if it's bananas or the name of your program, whatever it is. Don't know why I chose bananas there. And then I'm going to give it a price. So let's make that $99. It's not a subscription. Don't worry, I will be covering subscription in a future video. And it doesn't require shipping. Again, I'm going to be covering that in a future video. And then it is published and I'm going to hit save. So now we have created our first product. Now I want to put this product into a category, and to do that there are two ways that I can do it. I can navigate over here to categories on the left hand side and create a new category just the same way as I created my product. So I would add my category, give it a name, and then choose what products I would like to add to that category. But I can also come here to my catalog, click into my product, and simply categorize my product from within the product settings itself. And to do that, I'm going to come here to categories on the right-hand side, and I'm going to create a new category. So I'm just going to call this my category. Is that how you spell category? Yes. All right. And then I'm going to hit enter. So that is now created. And I'm just going to go ahead and select that from the drop down and hit save. So now this product has been created and categorized. And again, I can manage those categories by navigating over here to categories on the left-hand side, and I can see what products are in this category, and I can go ahead and change or delete this category. So I can update it, change its name, and I can go ahead and delete it as well if I want to. So that is how you can create products and categories. In the next video, I'm going to be covering product pricing, how to create subscription products, and how to give your products discounts. I'll see you there.